Yo, good afternoon guys. I'm very hungry. Yeah, but I cannot eat because I don't have rice. This one is already up. Yeah, I can smell it. This one is coming from the camping yesterday. I actually already eat 5 pieces of this pandesal since morning, but still not very satisfied and still hungry and cravings for rice. And this morning I wake up at 8 o'clock because last night we got home around 12 o'clock already. I was very tired driving. Actually, I'm doing my laundry at the moment. Okay, we are now here. I'm going to get the fried rice. Oh, very fast. He cooked this for less than 5 minutes. And this is expensive. $14.50. And just like maybe 3-4 months ago, it was just $13. And that's it. I'm going home now and we'll eat and we'll take care of my laundry again. And this fried rice is actually more expensive than 5 kg of jasmine rice. Yeah, because this one is $14.50 and the 5 kg jasmine rice is $14. I'm going to put this back in the bun. I just wash it. Microfiber towel. Also the pillow cover, I wash it. Yo, good afternoon guys. Yeah, it's already 5 minutes to 3 o'clock and I'm editing a video and start to prepare my lunch. Today I work from 6 o'clock and I finish 2 o'clock. I just took it from the pre-chiller. Yeah, I'm not sure if this is still good because I defrosted it last Saturday night. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday. Today is Wednesday. I think it's okay. Yeah, still 3 days. Yeah, also the taste is still no problem. Yeah, so it's okay. I will eat it. I will just reheat it in the oven. I am cooking the rice. I have a beautiful tong. Yeah, this is my camping tong. This chicken is too much roasted already. It is now 5 o'clock. Yeah, 5:10. And I'm going to recook this. I'm going to make it a soup. Yesterday I didn't able to record the grocery because I ran out of battery. Yeah, but I went to Aldi and I also went to Woolworths. I bought a rice. Yeah, just rice. And suddenly it is raining. While waiting for that to be hot, yeah, I'm going to fold this tent. One thing I don't like about using a tent is that, yeah, in the morning it is always wet. Before, when I was riding my bike, when I went to camping, yeah, I still need to stay in the place to dry the tent. And that is time consuming. Nothing special. Oh, this is how it becomes. It becomes noodles. This is actually a soup. Sotanghon, but I don't have proper ingredients. Yeah, I'm going to eat it. I still have this pandesal. Yo, good day guys. Yeah, I just finished my duty. Actually 2 o'clock when I finished my duty. Start at 6 and finish at 2. It is now 2:41. Yeah, we are very busy. Oh, already December 1. Just now I realized. Yeah, I was checking the time and I saw it's Friday, December 1. Very fast. Christmas is very soon. Yeah, we are actually very busy this morning. We did 140 and then we also have some preparation for the function tonight. Yeah, that's why running. Also, I was doing the a la carte. I'm doing the service. The other guys, they are doing their preparation. But when it is busy like that, it is very satisfying. Of course, it's tiring, but satisfying. I did not vlog yesterday, but yesterday I finished the noodles. Yeah, the chicken that I cooked 2 nights ago. And that is the reason why I'm going to the grocery today. I have no food in the house, just rice. Look at that, all the trolley are gone, mostly. Oh, maybe I am going to get one of these. Yeah, blackberry, no, blueberries, just $4.50. I'm getting one of this oil. This just $3.95. Yeah, vegetable oil. Already took one of these chicken cubes. I have nothing in particular to buy. Yeah, I would like to have instant noodles, but yeah, instant noodles is not good. Oh, I'm getting one of this kombucha. Yeah, 40% discount. Regular price is $8.95. Now just $5.25. Oh, look at this very cute Nutella hazelnut. Yeah, very small compared to this very big. Yeah, this is just $2. I'm going to get one because yeah, the container will be good for travel. Yeah, maybe good for container of something, of memory card, SD card, or jewelries. You know, there are so many breads and pastries in here, but yeah, I can't really find the one that is having a Filipino taste. Not even this one. This one is too bland for me. Actually, this one is good, the brioche, but it's $6.50 for 4 pieces. Or maybe this $6 for 6. Yeah, I'll take this one. Yeah, because brioche is a little sweet, so I like it. Oh, let me have a look first at the sale items. Yeah, and here there are lots of bargains. Like this chicken will expire today, and now just $5.61. Yeah, wings and drumstick, neighbors. Actually, I'm going to get this one. This one is just need to reheat in the oven for 30 minutes. Regular price was $8.50. Looks busy this time. Lots of cars, lots of people. Even inside the grocery, lots of people. Okay, we are home. Oh, I usually leave this in the car, but I forgot. Yeah, it is already 3:21. I'm going to cook it right away. So I have this kombucha, oil, bread. This one I'm going to reheat it. Chicken wings nibbles, oven 30 minutes. Now reheating the rice and oh, not yet. Almost 1 hour already. Oh, 1 hour already. Not yet. I don't know. Yeah, well, since I put the chicken in the oven, let's wait for another 10 minutes. Yeah, because I'm cooking it. Actually, I did not preheat. Yeah, let's wait for another 10 minutes. I'm good with the very well done chicken, overcooked. Okay, this is my lunch. Wow, this chicken is actually very spicy. And the color is looks like a little bit not totally cooked. I don't know. Yeah, finished. And I have 3 pieces left over. I'm going to make a soup using this maybe tonight or tomorrow. You know, it is hot. Being naked is the most comfortable. Yeah, actually. Outside is good because there is wind, but inside here. And actually, my plant doesn't have water anymore. Yeah, usually it's like that. When it is hot, when it is sunny, yeah, the water runs out. disappear quickly, dissolve easily. Which is the right one? Oh, it's look at this.